Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Peacock on Vizio TV step by step clearly. To activate Peacock on your Vizio TV, start by turning on your Vizio TV. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet. Navigate to the Vizio Smart TV home screen using your remote. Locate the Microsoft Store or App Store icon on the home screen. Select the Store app to open it. In the search bar, type Peacock using the on-screen keyboard. Once Peacock appears in the search results, select it. Choose the Install or Download option to begin the installation. After the installation is complete, return to the home screen. Locate the Peacock app from your list of installed apps. Select the Peacock app to launch it. You will see the welcome screen prompting for login or sign up. If you already have an account, select the Login option. Enter your email and password, then select Sign In. If you are creating a new account, follow the on-screen instructions to sign up. After logging in, you may be prompted to activate your device. You will see an activation code displayed on the screen. Using a computer or mobile device, open a web browser. Go to the activation website specified in the Peacock app. Enter the activation code exactly as it appears on your TV screen. Follow any additional prompts to complete the activation process. Once activated, return to your Vizio TV. You should now have full access to the Peacock content. Enjoy watching your favorite shows and movies on Peacock. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.